Ignore. Ignore. Why do you ignore me? Why do you ignore me? I ignored his advice. I ignored his advice. I'm ignoring the problems. I'm ignoring the problems. Decide. Decide. Did you decide yet? Did you decide yet? I decided to stay home. I decided to stay home. I'm deciding right now. I'm deciding right now. Try. Try. Did you try calling him? Did you try calling him? I tried 3 times. I tried 3 times. I'm trying again now. I'm trying again now. Choose. Choose. Did you choose one? Did you choose one? I chose the blue one. I chose the blue one. I'm choosing carefully. I'm choosing carefully. Agree. Agree. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? I agreed to do that. I agreed to do that. I can't believe I'm agreeing to this. I can't believe I'm agreeing to this. Promise. Promise. Who promised you that? Who promised you that? I never promised you anything. I never promised you anything. I'm promising you now. I'm promising you now. Suggest. Suggest. What do you suggest? What do you suggest? You always reject what I suggest. You always reject what I suggest. I'm suggesting a break. I'm suggesting a break. Trust. Trust. Do you trust me or not? Do you trust me or not? I trusted you before. I trusted you before. I'm trusting you now. I'm trusting you now. refuse, refuse. Why did you refuse my offer? Why did you refuse my offer? I refused to do that. I refused to do that. I'm refusing this deal. I'm refusing this deal. Accept, accept. Did you accept the job? Did you accept the job? I accepted the offer. I accepted the offer. I'm accepting it now. I'm accepting it now. Invite, invite. How many people did you invite? How many people did you invite? I invited everyone to my party. I invited everyone to my party. I'm inviting them tonight. I'm inviting them tonight. Offer, offer. Did you accept their offer? Did you accept their offer? I offered my assistance. I offered my assistance. I'm offering my help. I'm offering my help. Allow, allow. Did they allow it? Did they allow it? They allowed the change. They allowed the change. I'm allowing this time. I'm allowing this time. Consider, consider. Did you consider it? Did you consider it? I considered your idea. I considered your idea. I'm considering it now. I'm considering it now. Prefer, prefer. Do you prefer coffee? Do you prefer coffee? I preferred tea yesterday. I preferred tea yesterday. I prefer coffee now. I prefer coffee now. Warn, warn. Why didn't you warn me? Why didn't you warn me? No one warned me. No one warned me. I'm warning you now. I'm warning you now. Remind. Remind. Do you need a reminder? Do you need a reminder? You remind me of somebody. You remind me of somebody. I'm reminding you now. I'm reminding you now. Encourage. Encourage. Did she encourage you? Did she encourage you? She encouraged me. She encouraged me. I'm encouraging you. I'm encouraging you. Blame. Blame. Why do you always blame me? Why do you always blame me? Don't blame me for that. Don't blame me for that. I'm not blaming you. I'm not blaming you. Support. Support. Did they support you? Did they support you? They supported my idea. They supported my idea. I'm supporting you. I'm supporting you. Respect. Respect. Is there anyone you respect? Is there anyone you respect? You know I respect you. You know I respect you. I'm respecting your choice. I'm respecting your choice. Doubt. Doubt. Why do you doubt me? Why do you doubt me? I doubted your story. I doubted your story. I'm starting to doubt. I'm starting to doubt. Believe. Believe. Why didn't you believe me? Why didn't you believe me? I believe everything you say. I believe everything you say. I'm believing you now. I'm believing you now. Argue. Argue. Why did you argue with him? Why did you argue with him? We argued about money. We argued about money. I'm not arguing with you. I'm not arguing with you. Forgive. Forgive. Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? I can't forgive what you did. I can't forgive what you did. I'm trying to forgive you. I'm trying to forgive you. Mom, please forgive me. Mom, please forgive me. Mom, please forgive me. Mom, please forgive me.